Hey, it's Rob with Inyo Pools, and today, you notice my pump is not fully priming, so it's a very common issue with a lot of pool owners. And I'll go ahead and turn the pump off and explain what's going on here. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this wasn't filling up with water. You've probably maybe seen some of the other videos where we troubleshot it, and ended up being the lid O-ring. I've replaced that. I've even tried a different lid. That didn't make a difference. I tested all these valves to make sure they weren't sucking in any air, and that doesn't seem to be the problem. And so then it's always possible that it could be your filter. So it's if the filter's too dirty, water can't pass through quick enough for this to fill up. So the first thing I'm going to try is running this cartridge filter without the cartridge inside and see if that improves. If you've got a DE or sand filter with a multi-port valve, you can put the filter on bypass and test it that way. I'll go ahead and take the cartridge out and test it and see how it does. Okay, so I took the element out of the cartridge filter and I'm running it without it, and instantly it fully primed. It's full of water, so everything's working well. So I know that this was the issue, dirty filter. So what I'll do now is I'll clean it, maybe soak it, put it back in. If it's still having issues, I'll go ahead and replace the element. Yeah, it's been 2 years, and that was the original one that came with the pool when it was built, so it's just probably just packed full of stuff. If you have a sand or DE filter, I'd recommend cleaning those, and if that doesn't work, possibly replace the sand or the DE grids, and that should fix your problem. If you have any questions regarding this topic or anything else pool or spa related, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.